Hello, friends. I hope you are all good in all parts of the world. And today, here on my PC, I'm going to show you how you can convert Excel file to PDF. Yeah, different people in nowadays are just sharing files in Excel format, but sometimes they are modified in the way they don't want them to be modified. And the best way to just keep them in just a format that cannot be modified is to convert them in Excel format, right? To convert them in PDF format, sorry, in PDF format. And there is different ways to convert Excel files to PDF. The first way to convert Excel files to PDF is just to open your Excel files and go to file. You see file here. You go to file, and after going to, clicking to file, just you go to print. You go to print, and in the print view here we have just you can have different printers. You see here can have different printers, and here what you have to do first is to check if you might have another printer. You might have by default another like OneNote desktop, OneNote for Windows 10, fax, but whatever is there, whatever printer is there, you just have to choose Microsoft Print to PDF. Make sure that you select Microsoft Print to PDF. And this now you see it is ready, Microsoft Print to PDF. Maybe after leaving to print, you will find that there is another printer, like for example this one. And before going to convert our file, our Excel file into PDF, first of all, just come here and choose Microsoft Print to PDF. And here you see we have different options. We have print active sheets. You can just print this active sheet. You can print the entire workbook if there is different sheets in the one workbook. You can just print if you want to print all the sheets there, the entire workbook, or you can even print selection. And once you print the selection, it means you have selected a given range, any range, and you just want to convert it into PDF. But if you just want to convert only the active sheet, the sheet that you are working on, you just confirm that you want to print active sheet. But if you want to print out in PDF all, just want to convert all workbook, the whole workbook. Maybe it have 2, 3 to 4 or 5 or 6 sheets in the same workbook. You just confirm here. You just confirm the entire workbook. But let me just select to print active sheet. And down here you can just choose if you want it to be oriented as portrait or landscape. Here there is landscape if you want it to be landscaped, and here there is a portrait. You can choose the orientation you want. Yeah, let me just confirm landscape. And down here there is, you can just choose if it's a red type, it is A4 sized. And down here you can just custom the margin if it is necessary. And another thing here down that you have to take into account is that you have to fit all columns on one page, because once they are not fit in one all columns in the one page, maybe you will miss some columns after converting it to PDF. You just come here and confirm. You see, you can just fit sheet on one page, fit all columns on one page, fit all rows on one page, but make sure that all columns here, regardless the number of the pages, if you want to see all columns here after converting your Excel file in PDF, just confirm that here fit all columns on one page. After that, now you are ready to go. You are ready to go. You go to print. You go to print, and immediately it will just ask you where you want the location, where you want to save your PDF file. And let me, for example, give it a name first. Let me call it Excel to PDF. Excel to PDF. And save as a type. You see it's already PDF because it's the one that you selected. And let me choose, for example, you can choose desktop, you can choose document, and let me take document. And after that, you will be saving. You will be asked to save. And let me save the document. And it was Excel, but let me just show you how to be immediately converted to PDF. You wait a little bit, and thereafter, let me go to document to choose to see then how my PDF, my Excel to PDF is looking like. You see, let me open it with Adobe. Now I have a PDF file from Excel. You see, it's now a PDF file. Once you are just sharing your documents and you want people to have a view, to have a look on it, instead of sharing it as an Excel sheet, where people are just going to modify it, where the view of the file would be complicated to some people. Just make sure you convert it to Excel to PDF. Yeah, this is our template that have been converted to PDF. Yeah, this is the first way to convert PDF, to convert Excel file to PDF. Yeah, the second way to convert our Excel sheet to PDF, it's just to come where your file is and you open it. You see you have one sheet. You open it and just go to file as we did previously. And then now you're going to save it as. The first way we just clicked on print. Now we go to save as. Let me save as, and then you browse the location. And you'll browse the location. Let me call it, change the name to Excel to PDF2, because I just want to save it also to document. And there I go down, save as type is where I'm going just to confirm which type I just want my document to be in. I just come here on this drop box and select PDF. I'm now going to select PDF, and here down there is options. You click here on the options. You see you can just choose from which page to which page, and you can also print just to convert all pages, but you can even select. You can just convert the selection, the entire workbook, the active sheet, The table, whatever you want here, you will just confirm. You can even ignore print area, include non-print information here, document properties, document structure, tags for accessibility, and here PDF, a comprehend. You see, and then you confirm after just choosing the options that you prefer, and then you confirm. After confirming here, we'll just go to save as. You just to save, and just as I've chosen document, you go to save and just wait a little bit for the document to be converted into PDF. You see, now my Excel sheet has converted to PDF. You can just increase here the size to see all columns are there. All columns are there. And now my Excel sheet is ready to be shared or ready to be used as a PDF format file. And now there is another way just to convert your PDF, your Excel file to PDF. The third way of converting it, you also come and just open your Excel file. Your Excel file, you see, and then after you see I have in my Excel file again, and then you come just here on the file and now go to export. You can export the file, and live in here just choose create a PDF XPS. You go to create. You see it now in PDF. You can change the name, and you can also choose document to get your file in PDF. Guys, this is how we can just convert our Excel files to PDF, and don't just think that's complicated to change the file in PDF from Excel. And now after just name it and choose the location, you go to publish. You publish it, and it's now converted to PDF as we did previously. Yeah, now this is how we can just convert it. We have seen three ways. The first way was to pass to file and go to print, and you chose the print out the print out. You just deselect all printers and choose another selection that convert Excel to PDF as we have seen. The second way is to go to save as and just choose the type, save it as a type of PDF you choose. And the third way is to go and click on file, then go to export, and you export your files, your Excel files in PDF. Once you have a different sheet where we print out the entire workbook, suppose that you have another sheet 2, you can just let me just draw a table, for example, to show you how to look like once you have a different sheet where you choose to print out, just to print to PDF or to convert to PDF the entire workbook. You see here I have sheet number 2, and once I prefer to convert the entire workbook, I go to file, let me go to print. Microsoft Print to PDF is ready, but down here let me print the entire workbook and see how it will look like. Let me fit all columns on one page, and I go to print. You see Excel to PDF. to PDF 3. Here they have 2, and save it to documents and wait a little bit for it to be converted. I go there to document and I see Excel to PDF 3. Let me open it and see how it will look like. Yeah, this was the first sheet and this is the second one. Oh, we just forgot to landscape the second one. Once it is landscaped, you see it will be as another page. It will be as another page. We have here page number 1 to page number 4, page number 2, and page number 3 and 4. On the page number 4, will just be the sheet number 2, depending on how on the number of sheets you have. Once you print out the whole workbook, the entire workbook, all sheets will be under pages. From sheet 1, you will start from page 1 and so on. Sheet 2, sheet 3, and so on. Yeah, dear friends, this is how we can just convert our Excel files to PDF. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And just don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave your comment or suggestion for more videos. See you next time in other videos. Bye.